Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. You guys know, Rich. And in today's video, we're gonna be discussing the rock wall right there. And I've been getting a lot of requests about this wall. I got a few emails and people wanted me to make a video about it. So I said, you know what? For my subscribers, I'll do anything for you guys. And for the new viewers and who is watching the video, you guys can see as we're gonna demonstrate the rock wall and show you guys how the interlock system really works. It's pretty simple, it's really easy. So for this one, I'm gonna demonstrate it right now so you guys can see. When you buy the rock wall, it comes in 4 pieces. These pieces are about 48 inches long, and if you want a raised bed, you basically can create that with the holes. They have holes right here. This is the interlock system. You just put it right under. This is kind of like a puzzle. Flip this over. I know what you're thinking. How do we secure this thing down? So it comes with 4 long pins. They're about 18 inches long. You just take it, line it up with the next one. And you push it in. You push it all the way in. And the only tool you really need for this job, where is my mallet? Right here. Get the mallet and you just hammer it in. I'm just demonstrating. I really don't want to knock it all the way in. Same thing for the next side. So you guys, system is pretty strong. This thing is real solid, weatherproof, and all that. And if you have bulbs or something you put inside, it provides insulation for your plants. And if you want, you could drill a hole and put either sand or water inside just to stabilize it if you want. For me, I don't need to do any of that. I'm just gonna put the pins down and have it stabilized that way. But there's another way if you want to take it up a notch. You can actually stack the walls. See it? By going like that, you can stack it. So if you want a higher bed, yep, I know what you're thinking. You need longer ones. When you order these, you can actually order the longer spikes to go all the way down. Or you could buy rebars and configure it to your own liking. That's what I would probably do. And you just stake it, knock it down, and you have a higher raised bed. I mean, look how that looks. That looks pretty good. And if you look at these walls, it looks pretty nice. Got that rugged, rustic look. That's the kind of looks I like. Can't go wrong with this. So we're gonna show you the next setup on the round one. So for the second setup, what you're looking at is a round one. But when you order the pieces, they come 2 in 1 box. So I actually have to get 2 different boxes. That's why you see 4 to complete the circle. I'm gonna show you exactly how that is done. And it also comes with 4 of that 18-inch pin, or should I say spikes, to put it together. So we're gonna put this one together, so you guys are gonna see how beautiful this one is. This one is actually one of my favorites. There we go. I grab one of the pins, You want to put the pins in right away with this one. Sometimes it moves quickly. I love these setups. See that? Straight through. See? Real simple. You find a nice place you want to put it, and bang, you got yourself a nice raised bed. You could put a nice tree inside of it, like a bloodgood maple. That's what I'm thinking about. Knock it straight, and you just knock everything down when you're ready. You got a nice, I don't remember the diameter of this, so I got my tape measure. It's about 36 inches all the way around, so it's perfect. You guys look, it's 10 inches high. Pretty sturdy. Even if I stand on it, you guys are gonna be amazed. See, this thing is pretty strong. Even if I jump, pretty strong. And I got some good weight. I weigh about 190, 185. This thing is pretty good. That's why I bought it, because it's so sturdy. And it provides that insulation that I needed to protect my plants and my bulbs that I'm gonna put inside. So this is the circular rock wall. Love the interlock system. This one, also with the last one. Let's do this. You can stack these. You can actually stack these too. The same way what we did to the last one. We can do the exact same thing. If you buy 4 more, you can just stack it. See that? If you come around, you'll see how beautiful the rock wall look. It's like a little miniature bunker. It looks so nice. I love it. The first time I saw it, I just fell in love with it. And if you look in the back, I'm actually doing a little project. I had a contractor came here to look at the backyard. I wanted to get something done. And he actually thought those rocks was real. They're not real. And he was surprised. It got a nice feel to it. We don't want to leave out the corners. When it comes to the corners, if you do something like what I'm doing, you have to order the 3 pieces to go in the corners, like so. You just put it in. I got a spike right here. You spike it down. These corner pieces, they come separate. So if you're doing something like me to fill in the blank, you need to order these pieces. Or else your piece is gonna look, your wall gonna look like this. Look, it's gonna look like a piece is missing. You don't want that. So make sure you order this piece. You could get 3 of them at one time, so it look perfectly beautiful. All right, thank you. So you guys see the interlock system, how it works, how to set it up. So you could just come up with your own imagination and you could do something creative with it, you know. But for me, just putting it around my garden as a border and just put stuff inside. I don't want to say it's gonna be nice, but it's very cost effective for us right now, and we don't want to deal with a contractor and all of that at the moment. But this is so easy to get done, so you guys should know what to do by now. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I really appreciate you guys watching the video, and thank you guys for 400, and we're gonna keep this thing rolling on the next one.